Friends, welcome back to Edu Skills. Today I am here to discuss with you about our task 3 for August batch. So let me explain as well as read down from my notes what I have made for the task 3. As per Father, we have to think and analyze. So we have a question stem, answer options and text. The task 3 is about sleep deprivation. So according to Father, Father has given us some number of questions in the task. There are almost 7 questions. So in that, the first question, let's see. First question is identify the question stem and topic. So how we can identify question stem means it is a question itself. Here the question is, in the first paragraph the writer uses Eve Van Cotter's words to. This is a question. This is a question stem. And what is the topic? Topic, to understand the topic, what we have to do? We have to read the text, right? So here when reading the text, I will read the text. Millions of people who suffer sleep problems also suffer myriad health burdens. In addition to emotional distress and cognitive impairments, these can include high blood pressure, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. In the studies we have done, almost every variable we measured was affected. There is not a system in the body that's not affected by sleep, says Eve Van Cotter. Every time we sleep deprive ourselves, things go wrong. From the paragraph, the gist of the paragraph, from the topic sentence, from the conclusion sentence, we understand that this text talks about sleep deprivation. So I choose a topic as sleep deprivation. So we understood the first question in the task is identify question stem and topic. So we have identified the question stem, the question itself, and the topic is what the paragraph is about. So from the gist and from the topic sentence and conclusion sentence, we got it as sleep deprivation or lack of sleep. Then the number 2, the question is identify type of question. So the type of question here, it is a name based question. So when there is a name, we have to highlight that name. So it is asking about what the writer uses Eve Van Cotter's words to do. So here we can highlight it as the type of question is name based question, and the nature of the text is cause and effect. So here number 3 is hedging words in the question and answer option. Let's see what are the hedging words in the question. The hedging words in the question is Eve Van Cotter's and words. These are the hedging words in the question. Then hedging words in the answer options are, there are 2 types of hedging words or keywords in answer options. Differentiating keywords or the action words. These are in the first part of each option and differentiate what each option is doing. Each option is asking. So the explain, the option A has explain, option B has reinforce, and option C has question, and option D has describe. And let's see what are the concept based keywords. So the concept of each answer option. So the idea or concept in each answer option. Main causes of sleep deprivation, answer option A. Impact of sleep deprivation, option B. And research findings about sleep deprivation, option C. And challenges involved in sleep deprivation research. So let's see what is the next, that is a 4th question as per the task. Topic sentence and the controlling idea. So we all know what is a topic sentence. From Father's videos, Father's lessons, we all have an idea. Topic sentence is the first sentence in the paragraph. So here what is a topic sentence? Millions of people who suffer sleep problems also suffer myriad health burdens. And what is the controlling idea? Controlling idea is a part of the topic sentence, and what it mainly talks about. So it talks about myriad health problem. The whole paragraph is going to talk about what are the myriad number of health problems because of sleep deprivation. So this is a controlling idea in the topic sentence. Then number 5, cause and effect. What is a cause? We have to find out what is a cause, and we have to find out 5 effects in the text. So from the text. So the nature of the text is cause and effect language, and the cause is sleep deprivation or lack of sleep. Then I am reading out from my notes what I have written, and effects. And effects are what happens because of sleep deprivation. So first one is emotional distress, cognitive impairments, high blood pressure, obesity and metabolic syndrome. These are the 5 effects. Then in the question 5 itself, father is asking, identify Evan Cotta's opinion. So I just quoted, there is not a system in the body that's not affected by sleep. Then father asked us to compare with the writer's opinion. So here the writer says, in the studies we have done. So from this we can understand this is a writer's opinion, and the previous Evan Cotta's opinion is different. So there is not a system in the body that not affected by sleep. It is said by Evan Cotta, says Evan Cotta. And how we can compare it with the writer's opinion, because in the paragraph itself, in the studies we have done, almost every variable we measured was affected. This is the writer's opinion. So let's see. So both the opinions support the topic. That topic sentence, lack of sleep causes many health problems. So sleep loss or people who suffer lack of sleep, who suffer from sleep problems, they have many health problems. They will have many health problems. So this all supports the writer's opinion as well as Evan Cotta's opinion. Then let's see what's the 6th point. 6th point is identify the conclusion sentence. And conclusion sentence here it is, every time we sleep deprive ourselves, things go wrong. And relation with the topic sentence. The conclusion paraphrases the topic sentence. So the topic sentence is, millions of people who suffer sleep problems also suffer myriad of health problems. And the conclusion sentence is, every time we sleep deprive ourselves, things go wrong. So both have the same meaning. This is a paraphrasing and synonymous expressions. So let's see what is the 7th point. Overall analysis, what the writer really want to say. So my overall analysis or from the text. So there are many health problems that occur due to lack of sleep or sleep deprivation. This is the overall analysis. And what the writer really want to say, every time we sleep deprive ourselves, things go wrong. Lack of sleep leads to many health problems. So I hope I have explained all the points of today's task, and I encourage everyone to do analyze the text, analyze the question, answer option and the text, and you will enjoy learning it. You will enjoy analyze the question, answer options and the text, and you will enjoy learning. I wish you all a happy learning. Thank you.